second Monster Truck Bowl. Well, we didn't do it last time, but this time we're gonna have the Skibbity Elementary Choir sing the national anthem. Let me move everyone over. Let me give them their pitch. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed by the twilight's last gleaming, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight on the ground we held. Sorry, my grandma was singing too.
Be quiet.
Where were we? And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our red flag was still there.
Don't pay attention to the old lady.
Oh, say when. That's not how it goes.
I don't.
Oh, there it waves. Land of the free and the home of the brave. And yeah, you weren't supposed to be singing. You were supposed to be quiet.
Yeah, but you weren't singing the right words.
No one cares.
To be honest, who would actually watch? They probably people are gonna skip it. Don't skip it if you see this part, but it's saying. People probably skipped it.
There's something in my teeth.
Whatever.
I don't care.
Okay, now let's meet the teams. We have on the side close to the camera, the Dallas Ranchers, represented by Green Goblin and Roger. And pick a team you want to win. No going to the end and saying, I want this team to win if they win. Don't do that. And now, the Orlando Gators are represented by Earthshaker and Bad Boy. Now we have to put the football in the middle of the field and we need someone to flatten this out. So I'm Catherine. Try not to knock down the school bus pillow.
Hey, school bus aid.
No!
Oh, say your mom's
That's disrespectful, Catherine.
What?
Yeah. Hold on, what's the middle? This is our middle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure that Roger will be the captain, the quarterback, whatever.
Cool.
Okay, everybody ready? You can't really. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Here, hold on. I don't know why I almost turned this thing off. 3, 2, 1, go! No! Touchdown! That counts, brother. No,
But you picked it up.
they got a power up. Let them do that. What? Touchdown, Dallas Ranchers. Number Hot Wheels Roger. That counts. That's the only time that you can do that, but that counts.
Fine.
Okay, let me update the scoreboard. Where's that marker? Oh, no, there's a pen right here.
1 minute, guys. I need to tell someone to put it. Okay, you didn't hear any of that.
Yeah, and this is what the score right now. The Dallas Ranchers lead 7-0 over the Gators. Now they switch sides.
when you mess with the bad boy. What you get, what you get, what you get.
It's tied at 7. Okay, then switch sides. Straighten this out. Put it directly in the middle and so okay. Me. No!
That was my team's car.
And the Gators are leading 14-7. Okay, then I switch sides. And also this has to be flattened out.
That's being my silly self on the Saturday.
I know.
It's silly Saturday.
Beep.
No, the rain.
Beep.
Beep.
No!
That's my car. Touchdown. Hey, come here, bad boy. Okay, sucker. See, that's what you get when you mess with the bad boys.
And I have the winner. I was on Dallas's team, but Orlando won. Gators. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share the video, comment on the video if it will let you. And we have a goal to get 100 subscribers by
16th.
2024. Bye.